In this presentation, we will be considering the SRA Principles and Code of Conduct for Solicitors, RELs and RFLs, and common professional conduct issues arising in wills and probate practice. The SRA standards and regulations came into force on the 25th of November 2019. It's important that solicitors are familiar with all aspects of the SRA principles and the Code of Conduct. However, here we will consider some of the parts of the code which might arise when practicing in the area of wills and probate. Of particular note to solicitors in this area are Principles 2, 3 and 7, and Parts 1.2, 3.2, 3.4, 6.1 and 8.6 of the Code. Gifts to the solicitor who drafts the will. This used to be more common than it is today. However, occasionally a grateful client may wish to leave a gift to their solicitor. This might be because the solicitor has acted for the client for a number of years or on a number of occasions, and the client has grown somewhat attached to their solicitor. As an aside, in order to maintain professional boundaries, it's inadvisable to encourage such an attachment. If a client requests a solicitor to draft a will which includes such a gift, the solicitor should be particularly wary of Principle 3 and Parts 1.2 and 6.1 of the Code of Conduct. Principle 3 states that solicitors must act with independence. This, together with Part 6.1, which states that solicitors should not act where there is an own interest conflict, points towards a solicitor being unable to draft a will from which they are to receive a benefit. However, it may be acceptable if the solicitor ensures that the client seeks independent legal advice in respect to the gift.